ED and the CBI to give a current status report. They have arrested 5-6 people, but they have not arrested the kingpin of this whole scam. SEBI, in its detailed report, has identified Mr. Anil Ambani as being the kingpin, that he orchestrated this whole fraud, but he is not being arrested.
I will not be able to respond, my lord, why some X is not arrested or Y is not arrested. It's not.
There's only one small request, Malas. I am appearing for Anil Ambani, Malas.
Only one thing I may clarify. Our reports are confined to the criminal investigation going on.
Detailed order last time and had asked the ED and the CBI to give a current status report.
Sorry.
The one thing that I am finding a little strange is that though ED is saying that they have arrested 5-6 people, but they have not arrested the kingpin of this whole scam. The SEBI, in its detailed report, has identified Mr. Anil Ambani as being the kingpin, that he orchestrated this whole fraud and siphoning out of the money, etc. But he is not being arrested. Others, some subordinates, employees are being arrested.
Lord, my status report is ready. On the last occasion, my lords were pleased to record my statement that the investigation would be over within 4 weeks. So thereafter, we found some more material and we had to register, my lord, 2 further FIRs. So we could not complete the investigation. I will not be able to respond, my lord, why some X is not arrested or Y is not arrested. It's not.
We would also like to go through your report before we issue further directions.
Yes, my lord. Lord, I have it ready. If your lordships can consider having it on Monday, I can file it right now.
Lords, I have moved an application, my lord, for one of the creditors. On the last date, my lords had taken note of these collusive IBC proceedings, where in every case some lender is set up and the company is taken in IBC, and with a substantial haircut, the company is taken away. My lords, I am one of the creditors. In fact, I am one of the victims. I have moved an application giving a specific case where this has taken place. And I have prayed, my lords, that this case may also be investigated by the CBI and the ED. And my lords would take a note, my lords, a completely solvent company collecting toll of 8.5 crores per month. My lords, an IBC petition is filed. It's taken under CIRP. And then some SRA comes and takes it under a substantial haircut, where debt of some 584 crores is paid off by 85 crores, my lord. That plan is filed, everyone agrees, it is approved, and my lords, all the creditors then suffer and the company comes out whitewashed.
No, who are you?
My lords, I am one of the creditors, my lords. My application is IA 131968.
Well, you had a right to challenge the order for resolution, acceptance of the resolution plan.
Please, my lords. My lords, what I have...
These are the proceeding, not a inter-se dispute. Yes, somebody has come proceeding as a bona fide PIL petitioner has come before us. So there we can't resolve the inter-se disputes.
No, I am not challenging any individual order on any approval. I am only saying I brought a specific case. What my lords had taken note of various cases. I brought a specific case. Let that also form part of.
You can't give to us. You can give to the CBI.
You can give it to the investigating agency.
Submit me my application. I will.
Yes, certainly. If there is a cognizable offense.
If there is some information or material which are direct bearing on the investigation of the issues which you are examining, that also should be taken into consideration.
My lords, may just see my prayer at page 120, my lords, of my application.
No, we will not look into it. Please don't refer to us. We are telling you.
Give it to him.
My lords,
Don't use the platform of the court to settle your score.
My lords, may permit me, I'll give it, my lords, to the investigating agency.
Where do you require our permission? Under which law? You don't require permission. You have a right to give. You should give. You exercise your right.
Please, my lord.
This report you may file.
My lord,
You may file.
Lord, if your lordship permits, I can give it to the court master. My lord, it's in 3 copies because your lordships, I'm not aware, my lord, what would be the combination on Monday.
This one report, this status report of the ongoing investigation. The same is taken on report. Post it. What about next Friday instead of Monday?
Lord, white envelope is CBI status report. The green one is ED status report.
We'll take up either Monday or
Whichever, your lordship's convenience.
next Friday.
Next Friday.
Very well.
There's only one small request, Malas. I'm appearing for Anil Ambani, Malas. And I would just want your lordships to hear me for half an hour, Malas, because I've not been heard on some of the issues that perhaps your lordships are not aware of. That's all.
We will hear you.
Yes, deeply obliged.
But there's just one other factor which I just want to mention.
In fact, even before we take cognizance of this report,
Yes, your lordships make.
status report, you please,
Yes,
hear
because
you.
just a short minute's explanation as to what has happened in the past, which is not before your lordships at the moment.
So even we would also not like to go into all those things. Our purpose was only limited purpose, that an issue pending, some investigation pending, let it reach to a logical conclusion so that people don't have an impression that
No issue,
because
no
of
issue.
any
Malas.
factor,
My lord,
it
reports
has been put under the carpet.
There is a history to it, which I would just give me half an hour. That's all, nothing more than that.
Only one thing I may clarify, our reports are confined to the criminal investigation going on. It may not have any bearing with banks, their dispute with banks, what they want to do with the banks, etc. That's my lord, not the scope of this matter. That's all.
We'll see. Anyway, Malas, next Friday, your lordships.
Next Friday.
Deeply obliged.
Well, we'll keep a note ready for next Friday.
Yes, you.
Right.
Item 21.